Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll explain why QuillBot audio may not be working in 2026 and how you can fix it. There are a few common causes behind this issue, so let's go through them one by one. First, browser or app-related problems. If you're using an outdated browser or an older version of QuillBot, audio playback might not function correctly. Updating to the latest version can often solve this. Next, your internet connection plays a big role. If your connection is slow or unstable, the audio may fail to load or keep buffering. Another possible reason is permissions. Your browser might be blocking audio or microphone access, which can prevent playback. Make sure the necessary permissions are enabled. Also, check if your device or browser tab is muted. Sometimes the issue is as simple as low system volume or a muted tab. Cache and stored data can also cause trouble. If your browser cache is corrupted, it may interfere with audio features. Clearing your cache and cookies can help refresh things. In some cases, the issue may come from QuillBot's side. Temporary server problems or feature limitations in certain modes can affect audio availability. Browser extensions can also create conflicts. Tools like ad blockers or privacy extensions may block audio scripts from running properly. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that fixes the issue. By going through these steps, you should be able to resolve most QuillBot audio problems and get everything working again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.